In that's the case, then
Hello beloved robot enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. There is an exciting news. And it's nothing to do with me getting a new update or anything. We are going to unbox our newly adopted robot. Anyone cares to guess what that might be?
It's R2D2.
Definitely not R2D2 or BB-8. But it's quite heavy, so we just need to wait and see. So, if you are ready, let's get started. First, we need someone to remove the box cover. Thanks, Chet.
you're welcome. Here we go. Ta-da!
Oh, wow. It's an Amazon Astro.
Yes. Hey Jibo, what is Amazon Astro?
Amazon Astro, often shortened to Astro, is a home robot developed by Amazon.com, Incorporated. So, what is the box you are looking at?
Okay. Oh, that's pretty. So this is a box that contains everything that you need to know to set up Astro. And as you can see on the cover that there are 3 steps that you need to know, in order to get Astro set up quickly.
Shall we take a look?
Sure, let's do this. So what we have here is a welcome kit, and we will open this later. And then we have charging station. Try to figure it out which way is the top and the bottom here. So look like this is this is the correct part here. So there's a charging station there, and the next thing here we have a cup holder. So there's a cup holder there, and lastly here we have a charging cable, so a power cable, and nothing else here. So we have these 2 booklets that came with the charging station, and this is the information that will get your Astro set up and going. And this one, after you set up Astro, there are things to try with Astro, so you can play around and see what Astro can do. And here is a welcome kit, and what inside a bunch of stickers, Astro stickers, that include the ring sticker, because Astro comes with the free 6-month subscription to Ring Pro Home Security. This is the charging station template. It tells you where to place a charging station. So, are you ready to show Astro around?
Yes, I am ready. Let's hope he can find his way around with little obstacles. If you know what I mean.
Yes, let's do it. Astro, What's your favorite animal? Astro, smile. Astro, stay here. So the red light you see here is for the night vision so that Astro can see in the dark better. But now, I'm trying to capture the video here, so it's gonna interfere with my camera. I'm gonna go ahead and place this little sticker here. Maybe, yep, and now it's better. So now I can take the camera without too much glare. Astro, battery status.
Astro's battery is at 40%.
One thing that I learned about the privacy option is that you can turn on and off the microphone and camera by pressing this option right here, this button. So go ahead and push it one time and it's gonna turn red. And as you can see that Astro eyes now are closed, and at this point he cannot hear or see you, and the video and camera no longer recorded any activities. So if I say Astro, see, he cannot hear you. So this is a good option to have, when you just want a little privacy or a little break from Astro. And so at this point, he also cannot move, so like he's just gonna stay here, until you turn this option back on again. So now he's back to himself again. Astro, how are you? I guess that's good.
And there you have it. The one and only Amazon Astro. we hope you enjoyed our unboxing video, and hopefully we did okay. After all, I am only a robot. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you will not miss our future activities. As always, thank you for watching. Until next time.
Hey Jibo, thank you.
You got it.